YouTube video. The YouTube video is action figure setup. So here's a little sneak peek of my room. Certainly my whole room, and you guys will not see the whole certainly the whole house, but yeah, a new house. So today, as you saw, cut the Uso double super kick appeal in a power corner to do a splash or a flip onto Bobby Lashley. I'm trying to think that you can see, but I'll have to fix it. So next setup is and do RKO on Series 76 John Cena. RKO him on the World Heavyweight Championship. That cool. Yeah. During this actual setup, I got a new shelter. It's John Cena, CM Punk, Oreo from this big John Cena. The other ones, the WWE symbol, is Randy Orton and Rey Mysterio from the right over there. But yeah, so here I got the little guy too. I got a ring. Here's some that figures like the Bitchels, Ricochets, Randy Orton's. Yeah, like the entrance attire. Yeah. Here again, I don't get finally yesterday to Stone Cold Steve Austin. And you know this is all action figures, so got it from my friend. We'll be on the YouTube video, Ryan. You don't know him, but yeah, from that video. Over here, Undertaker. Yeah, Sledgehammer and Blackfield, and he really on to his Vern over here, Alien Solid. And then Kevin Owens do a start on Trish Miracle. Here is Macho Man when he said don't do elbow drop on Big Cat. Also, Shawn Michaels will do it too. This show did a choke slam on Kurt Angle. Ricochet don't get 630 on Finn Balor on a shield. Also we're about to hit Kane, the old active figure too. Here Roman Reigns, but look at this Roman Reigns. This one had that logo. The new the 2-pack from Drew McIntyre and Roman Reigns that made 35. Oh yeah. His changing out set up John Cena. It's one of my first John Cenas. Kick him, hit signature move. Then the next setup is Rey Mysterio on Splash Pad. Set round after Matt will do a Bull Derek, I think, or sorry guys. Do the old rock and you'll rock bottom on the real rock is today. They'll rock bottom him on the WWE Championship right here. You only just get a spiel through looking special of set friendship on my other John Cena. So you always see my third John Cena. I got fourth one, so yeah. So I got a new. You see, I got this new action figure. I got a lot after this year, but today I don't open up a new action figure. This This is a Hall of Famers here, Elite Collection 77. It's laser not hard. Look at this. 3011 Elite Collection 77. It can't even come out this year, by the way. See that? This he was IC championship with all his others. Also with Shawn Michaels with his ladder matches, maybe 10 and Sunset 1995. Yeah, so I'm gonna open this up and see, and I'll play with it. So see you then. Just got done opening this. We're on at the figure. I like this WWE Legends. What they designed is really cool. In this picture of William, and yeah, I just got on here his hands, the extra hands, the scissors. Yeah, I just got done. Here is that in figure, guys. Look at this all new, super cool. It's just his blue tower with his gold chain and his entrance scale. And look at that. There's like, look at that. The heel. That it's super perfect. It's just perfect for YouTube videos. Just I can use them for my outfit videos, for figure wrestle. If you didn't notice, the dirty championship by heel. Sorry, the sun doing that. I forgot the old Undertaker doing about Tombstone Triple H. Got him up for it. Special Gents chokes and Kurt Angle. But yeah. So let's see what we can do and how good his powerbomb is this action figure. See you a little bit set it up. And even yeah, his such bad guy too. So he gonna power his own revival, Shawn Michaels, getting ready for his powerbomb. Guys, 3, 2, 1. Oh, Scarlet Edge! What? Scarlet Edge! 1. Why are you so burly? 2. I think this one. 3. He got pinned Shawn Michaels! Oh my goodness. Oh. Yeah. The bad guy. Where's Ramon? Just one. The match versus Shawn Michaels' own rival for the IC Championship. And this is what this is all about. So yeah, and the only thing you really need to do after continuously show this to the drive and like the video, and I try to turn on the bell. I know that sometimes you can, but please try to. But it's like careful because the people who make YouTube us is like kids, so it just kids privacy. But yeah, sorry about that, guys. But yeah, so that will everything. So bye, guys. See you in that video. Bye. Hopefully, in that video, please like and subscribe this my 32K trying video, the first one on the channel, and another video game video too. So see See you guys. Bye.